Indian Air Force fighter jet crashes in Rajasthan. The pilot of the Indian aircraft, which was on a routine mission, managed to eject safely. New Delhi. An Indian aircraft crashed in Rajasthan state on Sunday, local media reported. ARY news agency said the MiG-27 UPG aircraft, which got airborne from Utali Air Force Base, experienced engine problems leading to a crash about 120 kilometers south of Jodhpur. The pilot of the aircraft, which was on a routine mission, managed to eject safely. According to the Indian Air Force, a court of inquiry will investigate the cause of accident.